I'll look in the camera and say that we're here to pick out fruits and veggies that are your favorite. And then we're gonna go back to our house and we're gonna make 5 to 10 minute easy meals that you love and that are healthy, most importantly, right? So we're back at the house after Jack picked out some awesome ingredients, and today we're just gonna whip out a few things with those ingredients. We're not gonna cook it all. But the first thing we're gonna focus on is a blackened chicken. He loves drum chicken because kids love anything that they can hang on to. Do you like things you can hang on to?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, so we're gonna make blackened chicken. And so I take extra care on like where I'm getting my chicken from. So this Island Farmhouse Poultry, I try to get chicken that is local to the area. And this is local raised chickens, yeah.
I don't like this meat thing.
Oh, you don't like touching it? You don't have to touch it. You know what you have to do after you touch raw chicken like this?
What?
You have to wash your hands.
What?
So we've got that, and we have some seasonings here. We have onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. So this is just stuff that I always have staples in my spice cupboard. Salt, pepper. I feel like I use this a lot when it comes to savory dishes. Jack, do you want to help me with pouring some oil on it first?
Sure.
This is avocado oil, or no, this one might be olive oil. Olive oil, okay. So just put a little dollop in there. That's perfect. Thank you.
Now shake it around.
Yes, and then this one, we're just gonna grab a teaspoon of this. Yeah. So you grab a full spoon. Okay, a little bit more. And then you're gonna shake it all over. All over. Good job. And then we're gonna take a teaspoon of garlic powder. Ooh. Smell it. Does it smell good? Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells yummy. That's perfect. And then dump it all over. Good job. And then this one, I really like this paprika because it's smoked paprika. It just has that little bit extra. Good. Ooh, it's making me want to sneeze. You good?
It makes me sneeze.
It did make you sneeze. And then, do you want to do this or you want me to do it?
I can do it.
Okay, give me a couple pumps and I'll do this one. Oh, we're banging shakers. Okay, tap, 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 tap. Cool. Awesome. I'm gonna get you to stir this just around,
Okay.
just like this.
Okay.
Stir it really good. Keep
Mommy,
going. And as you're stirring this, I'm gonna start up the air fryer because it makes them extra crispy. It says about 15 minutes and it could be that or maybe a bit longer. Okay, flip them around like this. Do a little final stir. Get that oil kind of all mixed in.
And then we chop it up.
No, we're not gonna chop it up. So we're gonna leave this for a few minutes. What's cool about this is if like once you mix it in the spice, like you can put this into Ziploc bags, portion it out, you can freeze it. So when you can pull it out of the freezer, you can just throw it in the air fryer or the oven. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also put it in the barbecue. Lots of ways. You can even put it on the stovetop if you wanted and cover it. The second ingredient that we chose to include is watermelon. He loves watermelon. We ended up trying to put the watermelon in with the sugar peas. They weren't such a good flavor together, but he loves them separately, so we're just going to put them on the plate separately. And last but not least, the yams. We're making yam fries in the air fryer. And I just, do you know how to peel a potato?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Do you see?
You're going to peel it with your fingernails?
No, I'm gonna peel it with.
A peeler?
Yeah, peel.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. This is a peeler. So peelers, you have to be very careful.
Okay.
I'm going to show you first though. So you always want to peel away from the body, right?
Okay.
And then you move it as you peel it.
Okay.
Okay, great.
it.
Here, let's do it together.
Please, Mommy, can I do it?
Sure. Let me know if you need help, okay? Cooking in the kitchen can get a little bit messy, but that's okay. When teaching your children how to, participate in the kitchen, at first it's going to be a little bit messier. But with a lot of things that we start trying at first, they're going to take a little bit more time. And that's
sorry,
okay.
I just shooted a pea.
And that's okay in the beginning, because it's going to get them a little bit more involved, and sooner rather than later, they'll be able to maybe help cook a meal by themselves. And since they've had all this experience in the kitchen, all these years kind of helping and participating, they're going to be a lot better off when they move it on their own. They're going to know a little bit more about nutrition and why we eat the certain things that we eat, and just help them be a little bit better equipped. Just adding in some olive oil. Sorry, not olive oil. That is avocado oil, and I find it has less of a flavor to it than other oils. And it's one of those high heat, healthier options. And adding in some salt. Give that a bit of a flip. And then I'm also going to add in a little bit of paprika. Smoked one. Not much of this. Maybe a little bit more oil. Get them really coated. That's the trick to getting them nice and crispy in the air fryer. And they cook up quite fast depending on how small you cut them. Like, what kid doesn't love French fries? And especially the sweet French fries. Yeah, so one of the things when you're engaging your child with bringing them into the kitchen and stuff like that is to not force them to participate. And you could start by picking things that you really know that they really like and enjoy doing. And that could be making healthy pancakes. It could be, I feel like kids really like stirring and mixing things and pouring things. So maybe you might want to start off with baking and then slowly kind of increase that interest. Or, hey, I've got a game for you. When we go to the grocery store, I want you to pick 3 green things out of this section, or helping them pick certain colors. Can you pick 2 green things and 2 red things and come back to the cart? So it gets them kind of exploring the grocery store, obviously within eye shot, but that could be another way to help get them involved. And then after they pick them out, you can ask them if they want to help you cook those 2 items. Did you have fun cooking with me?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining Jack and I in our adventure today. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe. That just knows that what I'm doing with my son is interesting to you guys. And if you check out the description below, I'm going to have the recipes that we created today, as well as our social media links. And yeah, again, thank you so much for joining, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.